Yeah. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Just turn them off, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Bloody hell. That was insane out there. I tried my hardest to get it going faster, but I was just going up and coming down with fucking waves. Oh my god. Yeah, I had him up there, yeah. Oop, oop, hang on. No, he said if you're going to hit it, start it back up. Huh? Oh, awesome, mate. How do I look? That has got to be the most insane thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my god. Did I? No, I think I got about 50. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine by here, it goes fast. Out there, no, those waves. I went up, right, I hit one, and I went sideways. I thought I'm coming off. I'm definitely coming off. Even my hands are getting cold now. Oh, it's awesome things, isn't it? I can imagine doing this on something like Loch Ness. It'd be great, wouldn't it? You wouldn't have the waves, would it? But out here with the waves, oh my god, they're insane. I hope it's working. All the while, more fun. Yeah? Hang on a minute, let's go. Megapixel camera on this, huh?